Hello everyone. We are here to explain you about the festival Tulsi Vivaha. So, Tulsi Vivaha is a nature worshipping Hindu festival where plants are considered as divine. And this festival is celebrated to mark the ceremonial marriage of Tulsi plant to the Hindu god Shaligram, that is Vishnu.
But why only Tulsi plant?
Because Tulsi is concerned as goddess in Hinduism, and Tulsi Vivaha signifies the end of monsoon and beginning of wedding seasons.
Okay, now let us understand the history, the story behind this particular festival. According to the Padma Purana, there was a demon king Jalandhar who was famous for his evil acts, and his success lay in the virtuous character of his beloved wife Brinda.
Even gods wanted to stop this, but Lord Shiva couldn't stop Jalandhar. So he requested Vishnu to find a solution out of it. And Lord Vishnu disguised himself as Jalandhar and tricked Vrinda and touched her. She realized that it was not her husband but Lord Vishnu, and this destroyed her chastity.
After that, legends say that the Jalandhar lost in the fight and died. And when his wife Brinda came to know about this, she cursed Lord Vishnu to become a stone named Shaligram and performed and immolated herself on her husband's pyre.
After this, Lord Vishnu converted her soul into Tulsi plant and promised her to marry. And that's how the Shaligram stone married Tulsi plant. Now, this was all about the story behind the Tulsi Vivaha. And now you may have understood that why Tulsi Vivaha is celebrated and why Tulsi plant is used to worship Lord Vishnu, including all of his avatars like Ram and Krishna.
And I would like to tell you that our culture, our religion is so amazing and auspicious that it has a specific reason behind every ritual performed. On the occasion of this festival, we welcome the Tulsi plant to our houses, and as we all know, the benefits of the Tulsi are innumerous. And in fact, it is a medicinal plant according to science and Ayurveda.
Tulsi leaves and Tulsi extracts are also used in making hundreds of medicinal blends. It is also used in Ayurveda for ailments ranging from flu to cough and cold, and from fever to digestive disorders.
And it is also used in the treatment of skin allergy, sore throat, toothache, eye infections. And the dry leaves of Tulsi are mixed with the stored grains to repel the insect. And the dry leaves of Tulsi are also used in various parts of the country as a mosquito repellent.
Tulsi is also an oxygen generator which can give competition to world's best air purifiers. And this also gives oxygen 20 hours a day and ozone for 4 hours a day. Not only this, but Tulsi also absorbs harmful gases present in the atmosphere.
Now you may have understood that how Tulsi Vivaha is not only a festival of celebration but also a festival of health and well-being. So this year, let's celebrate this festival by understanding it, by exploring it. Now we would like to convey you a shlok related to Tulsi.
Vrinda Vrindavani Vishwa Pujita Vishwa Pavani.
Pushpasara Nandaniya Tulsi Krishna Jeevan. Thank you. If you liked our video and felt this informative,
Please like, share and subscribe to Script.